Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the Hazel and today we are diving into how to download Facebook informations. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to your Facebook applications. Here at the top right corner, tap on your profile. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Here tap on privacy. Scroll down and here you'll find the options of your Facebook informations. So tap on access your information. Again here scroll down to the bottom and there you'll find the options of download your information. Tap on it. Now you have to tap on download or transfer informations and select the account for which you want to download. After that here you can type on available informations. And here you have two options, transfer to destination and download to device. So here we are going to download it to our device. So we'll select this options and tap on next. Now here you can select data range to all time or last week, last month as per the data you want to download and tap on save. And here you can change your Gmail account or and here you have to tap on create files. So here the request for the downloading the information has been sent and you have to wait till the notification arrives and then you will be able to download your informations from Facebook. You have to wait for some time till the files get ready and a notification appears for download and there you can tap on download and your files will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one.